Fun fact about Norway, my Viking homeland. I gotta tell you guys something. When you say you're gonna drive somewhere for 4 hours in the US, whether you're going from Miami to Tampa or you're taking a far trip, you're thinking of that car ride like, oh, this is gonna suck, you're gonna sit in the car or whatever, it's gonna be trapped. When you're in Norway and you gotta take a 4-hour car ride, it is an epic vacation. I don't know if you guys agree with me or not, but I can highly recommend it. I like to live here and work from my laptops for some months out of the year when I can. And when you take a drive for 3 or 4 hours, you're going through fjords, valleys, under waterfalls. You would think mermaids would just pop out of the ocean by the end of the trip. I mean, it's crazy, the car rides here. Let me know if you feel the same in the comments, guys. But if you guys are interested in an awesome car ride and you want to take a trip with your significant other and just have an epic adventure, check out Norway. Epic spot.